These simple pipe cleaner pumpkins make great decorations for all around the house during fall and Halloween. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need 6 orange and 1 green pipe cleaners, a pencil, fingernail clippers, and a ruler. Cut all 6 orange pipe cleaners into thirds, so each piece should be about 4 inches long. With 2 of the pieces, make circles. So fold the piece into a circle, twist the ends to keep it together, and then tuck the ends down. Begin constructing your pumpkin by taking each piece and attaching the end to the circle by folding over the edge tightly around the circle. You're going to be attaching all of the pieces, and you want to do it evenly so that they're all evenly spaced at the end. Once all of the pieces are attached to the first circle, you're going to take the second circle and do the same thing. Attach the other end of each piece to the second circle. This is going to be a little bit trickier. You want to attach the pipe cleaners tightly around the circle so they don't pop off, and also try and make them so that they have an even length all the way around. Once you're finished, you want to bend the pipe cleaners out to make a nice round pumpkin. So you can press gently on the top circle against a hard surface and just gently fold those pieces out into a round pattern. Make sure that they don't get a sharp bend in them, so use your fingers to round each piece out. To make the pumpkin stem, fold down the top of the green pipe cleaner about 1 inch and twist the end in place to make a loop. Take the long end of the pipe cleaner and twist it around the loop to make a thick, solid stem. Center the stem on top of your pumpkin by running the long end of the pipe cleaner down through the center and then wrapping the long end again around the edge of the circle, and then you can center your stem in place. Now take a pencil and start at the end of the green pipe cleaner and roll it up in a coil, one coil right next to the other one, to make a spiral. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new craft videos every week.